Et j'ai vu sa sœur hier au magasin.
Où?
À côté de chez toi, à la caverne des délices.
Ah, okay. Hey guys, I didn't understand. What are you talking about?
No, it's nothing.
Hey guys, what are you saying? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala specifically forbade najwa, private conversations, saying, Innaman najwa min ash-shaytan. Private conversations are only from the shaitan. This can take many forms, such as speaking in a language that someone cannot understand. The Prophet ﷺ specifically forbade this form, saying, إِذَا كَانَ ثَلَاثَةٌ فَلَا يَتَنَاجَ اثْنَانُ دُونَ وَاحِدٍ. If there are three people, two should not engage in a private conversation, leaving the third one out. إِنَّ ذَلِكَ يُحْزِنْهُ. This may sadden him.